Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so media me personally be per recap. Into wo share ade a end of the year me dey ensofo no every single year enkomsha wo mo hye na ye retrospect ni ahwe enkomsha ebe mu ni ye rate omo no. I want to do the same thing here. Hey, I want to do the same thing here. Na so far no court case eko John Dramani Mahama nensem eko so wo court no. So far applications are what they are to court anymore yabo ni egu no. Eno na me de ebremo. So far no yabo ni case 6 nkwa egu. Nti Mahama so far ya share 6-0. So wo kampa Mahama versus Jean Mensa ene Ekufuado ne Jean Mensa wo ma share 6-0 e wo Supreme Court because 6 of the applications are isusu se na ka be boa ne case no yabo ni nego. Now I'll give you the applications and some of them I'll give you the ruling na omoma na surprisingly all of these applications be are not unanimous decisions. All of these 6 applications just a judges no ba ko kre ni wa waka so okay Mahama wa asem ye denti no wo de me vote ama wo mu 7 ni na edu baby kra no 9 judges wo mu ni na unanimous decision. You know that's the interesting factor about this whole thing. Not to say anyway I know you the ho. Now young consem ni mu na the first application no it was dismissed. Now, let me gather the thoughts very well and bring you the first application. So the first application was an application by the lawyers of John Dramani Mahama to inspect the documents of the Electoral Commission. Intino Mahama, ne lawyers omo adwen say womo pese womo ehwehwe enkrata Electoral Commission what they declare results no because no mususu say adenti ena enkrata yesusu say yenso yewobi no Electoral Commission on nkwane de different OSHA results are what they buy 3 different results. Intino ye pese ye inspect document what they declare results no. Chief Justice Enin Justice Kwesi Enin yeboa wampene ana ye beka say judges ni na wo mampene sa application wo mu boguye na de wo mo kan ene say sa document na John Dramani Mahama wo kase wo pese wo check when inspect no what was our documents ni bi or copies of that same document or more carbon copies of those same documents intino in some wa mo dia to court ni nim ne de you see mo said that the case they've not really laid a proper case in front of the court the entire na pese wo check your document no so what document ni bi intino asem na kra no ye bebo egu e no mo bo asem na egu ye. That was the first application from John Dramani Mahama judges no eboguye na me ma oti ase say judges no wo ruling bia wo de ba no na they speak on sometimes precedents almost speaking on ebia assembly kra course so ebia 2007 2006 ruling eba so say enti ejina no so the ruling we aba sometimes eno mo ye enti judges we and this particular matter no omu ruling based on order 29 of CI 47 which is the basis of this application should not be read in isolation. It should be read in conjunction with rule 11 of the said order. In Tinsema or Mokaino no. Was it section 166 of the Evidence Act makes it clear that a duplicate of document is admissible to the same extent as the original unless blah 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 when there waunim or munsem no. Until that was the first application. Mahama ni application na yebogu ye nti eno no na 10. Now 20 the interrogatories application. Now this application was also rejected. Now we ena Mahama through the lawyer Chachuchi Kata omadwen say wo mo pese wo mo bisa Jean Mensa insemfua bi no wonyiyi san semfua na no na wo mo ma ye te ase say eno kra ba boa a narrow case no ama court proceedings no akoso smoothly and fast na akwa yese na NDC fo nim se ebeba bedu baby ebia Jean Mensa ye man ye cross examination ntia na ebia no mu bisa sa interrogatories no But you see, surprisingly enough, this second application, one of the ruling na eba and say and then NDC more premo ho epese mo bisa Jean Mensah ensemfo away mo ntwen cross examination do a no we bisa ne sansem no into application way and ye katre chachuchi kata say won twen cross examination ni do a no we bisa sansem no na cross examination nso do ye no ya mama me na nkwankoye into no the second applications another second application interrogatories no and also ye bogu ye now ruling the presiding judge at the by was say the court is of the opinion that the crucial issue of relevancy has not been established in this application. Reference was made to the 2013 election petition. As a reference was made in the 2013 election petition titled Nana Akufo-Addo and 2 ORS versus John Dramani Mahama. Was say in which an application to serve interrogatories was granted by the court. However, subsequent to 2013, several statutory amendments have been made by CI 99 of 2016, which has restricted the practice and procedure of this court as regards election petitions. Parts of the court's ruling regard election petitions. You know, ruling at me say judges no or mo bro for tintia or mo kano. You be a lawyer no betumi atras. But me susu say the na judges no person mo try say new rules be by answer new rules no. Some interrogatories yampene so what you say. But say Chachu kata erezi nsem no. One of the judges ekatren say Chachu adenti na won twen na endu cross examination na won bisa. Until that was the second application na yebogu ye. Until that time no ana ehodo be hu ne say yahye Mahama 20 ewo ho. Now the third application Mahama's motion for EC to admit errors. John Dramani Mahama file application say Jean Mensah on admit say election na ana declaration will be declared no errors be will make errors in the declaration of the results. Na sa application way the lawyers of EC any Akufo-Addo sorry eka said that be as a NDC for they want to in a way do some fishing expedition. They are trying to bring in some new evidence one more enfam by. So the motion was quashed by the judges. Application went so yebogu. That was the third application into Yahye Mahama 3-0. The fourth application a review of interrogatories application. Now, when we say one more bisa ensem judges na ka said that be no one more seeking for review. Say yentia say ye person ye bisa Jean Mensah ensem no mo person mo be pene. And I'm saying this. Oh, you see, na kayanko baka ensem bi wa yentia say going back to all these applications make you feel say as na NDC for they had prior knowledge. Say ebedu cross examination no ebi aye Jean Mensah on bekasa. Because omo ka say wo mo bisa ensem ye ka say mo ntwen cross examination. Enti yebogu no they again filed for a review of sa questions a womo ka say wo mu bisa na yebogu no again they filed for review inti no odwen wo bo hu say asa na nkofo ikra no mu nim say ade die besini inti ya no so review no ya the judges too ebeka ho judges too no Justice Imoro Tanko and Justice Henrietta Mensah Bonsu. They were added to the original 7-member panel for the review application. And also Yeboni Naguye, unanimous decision. Yeboguye, Atiase. Now, the fifth one, the granting of application for Jean Mensah not to face cross-examination. Tiafe edu Jean Mensah DNSO. Ti edu Jean Mensah DNSO no. And NDC phone so yesan bogu ye na afe 5-0. And the sixth application say one more reopen one more case so that they will serve a subpoena. That one is the recent one. So that they will serve a subpoena on Jean Mensah and also Yebogu into 6 different applications NDC for Ediakokota Nini Nano unanimous decision Yaboegu. And nothing America say the review of that subpoena no. I mean from all these things no you can predict easily because interrogatories there no one mobile review no Yebogu subpoena there is also review 6 inquire boni negu o be ko 7th one yen hwe de ebesi e bia na 7th one no o mo wini but nkrofo bebre na adult mo ntwa mo adwo comment box no me da say